Alright guys, this one I think is sure to be a favorite amongst you guys. But we have a Easter bunny and an egg designed steam engine. So we have an Easter train.
Says, I don't think. Yeah. Of course it says that.
So this one is
a train.
A little bit crinkly.
Yeah, and this one is a train and an Easter bunny.
It's got a cute little Easter bunny.
Yeah, and it has glue here and here and here and here and here and here and here. It has glue everywhere.
Yes, she loves glue.
Me too. Big and you like glue.
So here it is up. I honestly find this to be one of my favorites already. I love that it is a train. She thinks it's adorable because the bunny's kind of her size.
Yeah, he's on tiny and he's tiny.
Has the
but that one is
cheap fan, but that's to be expected with these Amazon ones. Plain on this side and detailed on this side. It says happy inside the smoke there. And you've got the cute little flower. And you got the bunny
one says over
conductor. But anyway, link will be down below in the description if anybody's interested in getting one of these for your yard. What do you think? Is it one of your favorites?
Yeah, because that's me and Dave's blue color.
Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And I will see you guys next time.
The apocalypse.